You are awesome.
I bet you they did enjoy living out here.
Yes.
So peaceful, quiet,
Yes.
nice.
Yes.
It's almost like you just do whatever you want.
Yeah. But it also got lonely for them, I think.
And it does for a lot of people.
Yeah.
And there are challenges, certainly.
Yes.
To this, not you know, you don't have the common amenities.
Well, you don't have the mall down the road either.
You know, I went to the mall yesterday, and I about had a panic attack. I
Did
was
you?
just
Hear it again? That is not natural.
no, something's going on, and I'm so glad that we caught that on camera.
Yeah.
Holy crap! It sounds like a plunger, like a huge plunger.
Yeah.
Oh, and that one was louder than the one.
Yeah.
I'm sending that to the news.
It's something weird. Like something is releasing.
Yes.
Like if it's underground,
Right.
let's say they're drilling close by or something, and
Yeah.
maybe there's a shift in the
That's what it sounds like to me too. Something unnatural.
bubbling
Or
under
like
the
in
water,
something in the bed of the lake that's like,
breathing.
yes,
Yes,
that's weird.
it could be the Loch Ness monster.
It's coming for you, Thea. It didn't get you in Hawaii, so
Ooh, there it is. Did you hear that?
loud and clear.
Yeah, it's not a funny matter. It's creepy. Well, at least I don't have to stay out here by myself.
That's not natural. Okay, let's go inside.
Okay.
You can.
Well, are we signing off?
Well, yeah, you can undo it.
Okay.
Just push